Pule Mori takes on Sachayo Mori, the Kapeka can Silas smashes it home. Well, he's been looking threatening, and he's found a way through, and he has broken the goal drought for Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs find the breakthrough. It has taken 415 minutes, but they finally scored again. They'd gone 4 matches before tonight without a goal, and a good period.
Organized, but Saile just getting on the end of a very loose ball and rifles it home.
Football. And it's a great shot from Poseidon. Holt had to keep out the scramble. They've got down well, this Bruce Boomer. But nice little passage of play there from SuperSport United.
Yeah, quick play and elements of surprise just in those spaces. Campbell just recycling the ball, almost really catching.
That's Dupria trying something, 10 minutes to go to the. Once the return ball now, Baliti taking them on. This is good stuff from SuperSport United. And Mahalman arriving late. This good fall, yeah, for the chance here. Oh my word! Of all the people, the danger's not gone yet. Here's Mahalman. Was a handball there? He thought about it and has pointed to the spot. There was a hand out there, and Skumbuzo Gasa gets a hug for his trouble from Ndlovu. But it came at the end of a fantastic move here, man. There's many talk us through this.
Yeah, a good move once again from SuperSport, getting Makitikiti involved.
Sugamanja sends the keeper the wrong way, and we are all square. That's number 5 for Terence Sugamanja for the season. And celebrates and Tante is the man who was judged to have handled the ball. I haven't had a clear view of what exactly happened, but it was the referee. Kitty to control. Now this is a good pass here. It could be a chance here for Chiefs. Moshabalala puts it. Oh yes! Oh, he's managed to get it past the Ruby. I thought I would go wide, but it sneaks in. It's the youngster. Duduzi Shabalala gets his first of the season, and what a time to get it. What a time to get it. It's been a much improved performance, I must say, from him. It's been a particularly decent night tonight. And Chiefs go back in front.
Yeah, he's